It was very easy to go through. The people at the clinic were very helpful as far as what to expect. And then even from getting off the plane, like I just forwarded them my flight information. They picked me up, set me up in the hotel, took me to and from the place where I was gonna get treatments, and have like a list of where I could eat around town, and everything just went very smoothly. So it was one less thing to worry about, not having to worry about, oh, how am I gonna get there, and do I need to call a cab or anything. It was just so nice to have everybody being supportive and being, there to take you to do all these things. So
it was a very good experience. My husband just really liked the doctor a lot. He thought he was just excellent. It was just a super, just fine facility, and everybody was very nice. They made it very easy to just go through the whole procedure. The Stemedix people were very, very helpful with everything, and the doctor was super lovely office, very beautiful office, and extremely clean, modern. Everyone involved in it was just couldn't have been nicer.
Making contact with Stemedix, the contact Fred Palmer, we're very pleased, very, very well pleased with his presentation, the background of the company itself. After certain conversations and certain interviews with Fred Palmer, we got a more of a positive feeling. We had telephone conferences with my daughter, my sons and I with him, and we asked a lot of questions. And honestly, I was rather apprehensive. I mean, you gotta understand Texas versus Florida, and something new to us. And I know that I probably bugged the crud out of him, but he was very, very amiable in anything he did, or his responses. I could feel that he was being very, very honest. And that's how it came about. Arriving here, of course, everything was set up for us. He, to the company, set up the hotel, everything. We just walked in. In dealing with this office, as far as the procedure is concerned, I also received a very, very positive attitude. Bottom line is we're very well pleased, both by the doctor's performance and the company's Stemedix performance also. My hats off to them, really. If somebody would ask me, I'd tell them, go for it.
It was a great experience. It was different. I didn't know what to expect, but going in, everybody's been nice, and the experience has been nice, and accommodation, the doctors, the staff, everybody is very patient with you. They're very patient and very...
Doctor, do you explain in a layman's term how the process works? It's not doctor, he's a medical doctor, and he don't talk in doctor terms. He talk layman terms that you understand the process. It was very simple to understand what he explained.
Very
above our standard. I think it was, I didn't expect it to be so high. That we were well taken care of. Fred took care of us, everything. If anything we feel like we wanted extra, we could ask Fred.
Yeah.
So it was amazing. Yes.
And it was just a one-time pay. You pay one price and everything is included. So that was great. That was really great.
Feel very comfortable with Fred around, You feel like at home. Yeah. I just want to say thanks to everybody who's involved with the system, the nurses, the doctor, Fred. And like I said, it was amazing, the treatment, the good treatment we got.
Oh, it's beautiful. So the doctor was really friendly and, explained what was going to happen the day before. Came in, and him and his staff were completely professional yesterday, and just I think everything went really smoothly in a few hours out of my day, and then I went back to the hotel and took a nap. So, but everything was great. I feel fine today. Little bit tender at the incision site from where they took the adipose stem cell, or adipose fat tissue, which is where they got the stem cells. But other than that, I feel fine. So, yeah. And the doctor says I'm healing fine and everything is good. I think as far as options that are out there, to me it was the best option, that a chance to hopefully get some of that quality of life back. I think the process was very easy to go through. Everybody that I spoke to, patient coordinators and everything, were super friendly, very helpful. Anytime I had a question, I could pick up the phone, and if they'd answer, or they'd call me back and tell me what to expect or what else I needed, and I think it was really seamless. So that was very encouraging.
This is taking from your own body and rejuvenating your own body. So just logically in my mind, I don't see what could really go wrong.
I would tell him to be positive, that my experience was positive, if I can use that word again, very affirmative. I would tell him, just ask questions. Ease your mind, ask questions and ease your mind, because that's very important. But as far as going through the process now, I would tell him, hey, you need to entertain it. Yeah. You need to really look at it. The results, and so what I've seen, are tremendous. From one day to the next, could be 3 months, could be 6 months. But I weighed everything because of research that we did, and we decided to go with this. And again, I would suggest it to anyone. Be patient, yes. Ask questions, yes. But don't be negative. Like I was negative, honestly. I really was. But I would tell them, again, really entertain it. Really look into it and do it.
Perfect.